I know it's been a while since I make a cooking video because my camera broke. And I can't find someone to record it for me, so it takes a while. But finally, we found somebody. We just think my cousin EJ helping me record this video. Okay, so yeah. Okay, today we have a special drink for you. We're making a drink today. Okay, it's bubble tea, and with a little different is I found something in Costco, and this thing it's very easy to make. Everybody can make it as long as you have a microwave, and so it's very delicious. I mean, so spending like 3 minutes to make one instead of spending like an hour to make the bubbles, I would say this is a really good for how much effort I put in, and the taste is actually really good too. So we're going to make the bubble tea together. I hope you're excited, and let's get right into it. Okay, in order to make this delicious bubble tea, the first thing you need is this. Okay, the instant boba pack from Costco. I bought it from Costco. Maybe this helps elsewhere as well, but this is the key because to make bubble normally it usually took like an hour plus. You need like more than 1 hour to make. This one, the pack, it's already pre-made, so it's good. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, in the pack it comes with like little packet like this, and then it also comes with a straw, so that's really good. Okay, so that's one. The most important thing you need is this instant pack. Okay, the next thing is because on the package, why I make normally how they make it, it lacks tea flavor. There's no tea, so it's not bubble tea. It's more like a bubble sugary bubble. So that's why I add tea. And just save trouble, we don't have to brew our own tea. I found this at Costco as well, the tea java. It's black tea, okay? Usually the original way to make bubble tea is with black tea. So I found this and I feel like that make my life even easier. I don't even need to brew my own tea for that. Okay, so you need black tea. Also you need some kind of milk. Okay, so I use almond milk, but feel free to use like a regular milk or like like soy milk, oatmeal milk, whatever you want to use. Okay, you can even use Coffee Mate or creamer, anything. Okay, so whatever suits you, whatever you have at home, use that. And then you also need a cup that you can use in the microwave. Okay, so make sure you have a cup that you can put in the microwave. You can double check, like my cup says on the bottom, microwavable, but some cup doesn't, so just double check. And we also need this, okay, some kind of syrup or some kind of brown sugar or whatever, okay, because I found once you put this in, especially my almond milk is not unsweetened, it's a little bit on the light side in terms of sweetness, okay, and then usually people here drink a little bit more sweet, so it feels comfortable for me, but I just feel like most people, is probably you need more sugar. And measuring cup just to measuring the tea and the milk, and then just this, I use the measuring spoon for the measuring of the syrup, and just need a spoon to stir. Okay, that's all the tools you need to make this delicious drink, and let's get right to it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open the pack. I already pre-opened it, so perfect. And you just take one pack, okay, and just cut it. Okay, I think they come with a cut, but I just prefer to cut it just more on the safe side. To cut the top and put it in put it in the cup. Just squish it, okay? Squish in the cup. Try to squish out. Don't put any, all the extra sugar. Make sure you just kind of squish it. Don't waste it. Never waste food. That's how Asian people are taught. And the next thing is, all you need to just put this in the microwave. And it says 60 seconds. But I found if your package is frozen, okay, if you take it out from the freezer directly, I think 60 seconds is a little bit not enough. Okay, so if you As you can see, it's very soft now. Okay, everything's liquid. And the next thing is all you need is take your measuring cup. So I just add 100 ml of soy milk or any kind of milk. 100 ml. A little more, a little bit less, up to you. It's okay. It's not that you don't have to be that picky. So 100 ml of soy milk. And then same thing. Just open your tea. Okay. Oh, sorry, wrong side. Okay. And the same thing. 100 ml of the black tea. Oops, maybe nina. Okay, too much, but it's okay. Just put it here. Okay. And the last thing is, I put 1 teaspoon for myself, but I feel it's still on the light side. So you can put 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or a little bit, or a teaspoon of sugar, brown sugar, or you can even use what's it called? Condensed milk. Yes, sorry, you're right. You can even use condensed milk if you want to. Okay, so up to you. So I put 1 tablespoon of maple syrup in. And one final step is the biggest step. Take a spoon and just stir. Give a good stir. And then, of course, if you want hotter, especially like recently, the weather is like really hot right now. So it's like really cold recently. So you can put this in a microwave. Give a little more, give like maybe 20 seconds more, 30 seconds more to make it warmer. Become hot. Or you can, if you prefer cold, you can add a couple ice cubes in, make a cold drink. So it's up to you. And voila, that's it. That's all the steps you need to make this instant bubble tea. And I hope you like it. And we're going to test it now with my cousin, okay?